Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today, well, maybe I'll give you a quick little overview of what's going on here. Kind of getting to the bottom of this interior, and I can't remember if I've mentioned before or not, but I've got a parts order coming in. Various bits and pieces that I need to tune up the interior and freshen it up. You know, just goofy stuff. Here, the seat belt plastics are pretty much pooched, and little things. New power window switches, things of that nature. But I've got these fairly pristine, I think just need a little bit of love, leather seats. And I want to see what I can do about bringing them back to somewhere close to their former glory. So that's what I'm going to do today. Now, this is by no means a product endorsement for this particular product, but I've had really good luck using this stuff before, and this is what I'm going to be using. So, I don't know if you guys have ever seen this stuff before, but Pink Solution. I really don't know what in the hell this stuff is, but it works like a hot damn. I've cleaned up like our kitchen chairs. We had these, they had kind of a, not velvet, but suede like seat, and my kids had spilt everything from chocolate milk to spaghetti sauce on them, and that bloody Pink Solution made them brand spanking new, like nothing had ever been put on them before, ever. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I'll bring you guys along for the ride. I'll kind of give you a sped up version as to what I'm doing here. I'm going to take some bits and pieces off of them, but essentially I'm just going to give them a real good scrubbing and see what I can't do to bring them back to life. Sorry, I got my dog in here and he's whining away. What else? I think I've showed you guys this. This is so the green coupe's kind of a parts bench, but got a bunch of stuff that's been painted, some stuff that's waiting to be painted. That's also in my my parts order, is some new SEM interior trim dye or paint. Some people call it dye, some call it paint. Yeah, I do have some more trim I need to paint. I'm gonna be peeling all this stuff off the back, and it's gonna get a fresh coat of black. And while all that stuff's off, I'm gonna take a run at power polishing this car and seeing if I can't breathe a little bit of life into it. So anyway, without further ado, I'll get you guys on here with me and we'll see if we can't bring some life back into these seats. Okay, so it's always smart to start off with a small inconspicuous area, so I thought I'd start off with the headrests before I got too carried away with the seats. So this is after, this is before. Not too bad, and I mean, I'm not doing anything outrageous here. I'm just simply using a toothbrush. This isn't quite a Scotch-Brite pad. It's probably something you'd, I don't know, use on your dishes. And yeah, just this Pink Solution. I don't know why they call it pink. It's not really pink, it's more white, but anyway, it works absolute magic. If you ask me, I don't know. I mean, before and after, right? So I'll get after one of these seats and we'll see how she turns out. Okay guys, so here's the reveal. Now this is the seat that I have not done. You can see it's quite filthy. I don't know how well it's going to show up in there, but even the threading is quite nasty. All kinds of junk in here. And now I will show you the after. Alright, here is the aftermath of Pink Solution. Stuff works quite well. Like, you can see the threads are white again. I don't know what the heck is in that stuff, but good grief, it works good.
And as I mentioned earlier, like, these seats are in really good shape. About the only thing that's not is some of this piping is a little bit yellowed. But overall, you know, really good shape. So that is what you get with a little bit of elbow grease and some pink solution.
Okay guys, there's what you can get for a little bit of hard work. Just put your time in, scrub them down, and yeah, they end up turning out pretty good. And that pink solution stuff, I don't know what in the heck it is, but it cleans like it's magic stuff. I got mine at Costco. I don't know if it's in there all the time or not. You can see the size of the tub. Like, my kids are gonna inherit this stuff. It's huge. But I do tend to use it a lot. You can put it in like spray bottles. You can just pick it out on a brush like I did. You can do all kinds of stuff with it. But anyway, I'm not going to bore you with the rest of this. I just think if you've seen one seat get cleaned, you've seen them all. Going to do the back seat. I got to take the actually the backrest out of the car still and do that as well. But yeah, get these cleaned up. And then upcoming, I got my carpet resto, so stay tuned for that. I can't seem to get a replacement carpet right now. They're on back order, so I am actually going to scrub mine down, and well, I'm going to paint it. I'm going to dye it with some SEM. Well, actually it's from LMR, Late Model Resto, but I think they use an SEM product. I've seen this done before. I've never done it myself, but you guys can follow along and see how it goes. So anyway, stay tuned. As always, thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate seeing you. Well, I don't see you on here, but you guys see me. But I've been having lots of email conversations with people and lots of stuff in the comments. So it's been great. Really appreciate meeting all you guys through electronic sources. So anyway, thanks a lot, guys. I'll catch you on the next one. Take care. Bye for now.